Welcome back, dear friend. I'm so happy to be doing a collaboration with two of my YouTube friends. I just love being able to connect with ladies from all over the country. Let me introduce them to you. There's Anna. At Home with Anna is her channel. She does motivating, cleaning, organizing, decorating, and some cooking. You'll love her energy and her spontaneous personality. So be sure and go over and let her know in the comments section that you came over from my channel and go check out her videos. She is so inspiring.
Alone. So let me show you what we're working with. Okay, so I've taken everything out.
And then we have Robin, and the name of her channel is Robin Lane Lowe. She does all things homemaking, decorating, organizing, and if you haven't seen her motivating, cleaning videos, you need to go over to check out her channel and get some motivation.
And since it has the pink little label on it, it's perfect. But first, I'm going to sit down this little sprig of greenery.
When you go visit her channel, let her know in the comments section that I sent you, and I will link these ladies' channels in the description box below. If you happen to be new to my channel, or you're coming over from Robin or Anna's channel, welcome. My name is Rebecca. I love decorating for all the different seasons, and I love sharing it with you. If this is something you like to watch, go ahead and hit that subscribe button, and be sure and leave me a comment. I love hearing from you. So this is my pantry, you know, the one that got cleaned up and redone a year ago, and it stayed that way for a whole month. And of course, as you know, everyone, when you go through the holidays, things just get thrown in there and everything gets out of whack. So let's get started and let's get this straightened back up. And as you know, some of the items that I'm going to show you will be in my Amazon storefront under Pantry. So go check it out if it's something that you're looking for. It is definitely a wreck to be reckoned with, so let's go ahead and get started. While cleaning out my pantry, I came across all of my different cupcake holders, and I don't know if you guys are like me, but I like to bake muffins, especially during the winter time, cupcakes in the summertime. So I have all different spring, fall, 4th of July. So I did find this canister jar. I'm gonna go ahead and use this one. I'm gonna go ahead and start with the largest. Get all of these. Yeah, I like that. Can you believe all of this stuff, guys? My countertop, my dining room table, stools, some on the floor, came out of this pantry, and now the job is to organize it and put it all back in. Right. I am so happy to get this done, and especially before spring arrives. So this will all be done, and I won't have to do it again maybe till next year, which right now is a great time. It's winter time. Still have snow on the ground. We can't get outside and enjoy it. So let's get this done. These 3 baskets, they're metal baskets with the linen, with the little snaps on it that will come out so that I can clean it. I found these at Lowe's. I found one. Mr. Fix-It put a piece of board and some roller casters on there for me so that it's not scratching up my floor. And then I went back and they had 2 more that was on clearance, so I grabbed those, and Mr. Fix-It will fix the other 2 when the shop is up and running. I do have this Lazy Susan, and it's got a rubber bottom where things don't slide around, and I'm just going to fill this up with items that sort of get lost in the pantry and that I'm always looking for. So I'm going to fill this up, and I can just move that around whenever I need. And of course, all of the items that I'll be showing you, you can find on my Amazon storefront in and under Pantry if you might be looking for some of the items. The canisters in the back came from Hobby Lobby, and the little spice jars also came from Hobby Lobby, and the labels were from Amazon.com. I just love these clear dividers. These hold any kind of packages, even spice packages. I have a couple. I would love to get a couple more to add to my pantry. And of course, I found those on Amazon.com. This riser for my pantry allows me to see what's behind other things, especially when everything's not matched, like the cans in a row. But I would love to get a few more of these where that the items are scaled up, where that you can see behind the other items. I just love this for my pantry. Mr. Fix-It is adding a couple of hooks inside the pantry for the grill tools. They're so long, they don't fit in drawers, and they're always been awkward on where to place them. So we put up a couple of these hooks, and we're going to hang them here. He will know where to grab them and where we have a place for them now. So let me know, where do you put your grill tools?
it.